Hello and welcome to another one of our how-to videos, and in today's video we're going to be fitting an LED strip light all the way around, and the LED strip light we're going to be going for is made by Govee. It's available from Amazon. Comes in 4 sections with a control unit, and we'll show all that in different parts of the video. And this particular model, in case you're wondering if you want to buy it, is the H6182. It's RGB and it is controlled by an app. The Govee app, which is here. I'll just focus in on that, and it'll appear here and you can control them, but we'll show that after we've fitted them. So now we're going to get the TV off the wall, fit the lights and show you how it works. Right, welcome back to the second part of the video. So we've got the TV off the wall and we've given it a quick clean all the way around, and this product does include some alcohol pads, but our TV's been on the wall for a while, so it's a little bit more dusty than what the pads can handle. But you would want to run it along here just to give it a final clean. So we're just going to show what's included in this kit. So thanks us for getting it. Right, okay, that's the usual thing. Now on this LED reel here, it comes in 4 sections, 2 long pieces for the top, the bottom and the sides, and they all they have 3M adhesive on the back, and they just all connect together into a central unit, but we'll show that in a second. And this unit here is specifically for TVs. Okay, that's included little information about if you need help and like their products. It comes with a user manual. Now I have used Govee products before, and they're all very reliable and very easy to set up. So that's why we've gone for one of their products again. And this is quite a handy bit of information. So this tells you what to do and what surface it's suitable for going on. As I said, just give it a clean. And as you can see there, there's interconnecting pieces. Okay, and it's giving you a bit of a clue there of how that goes. There's 2 ways of fitting this. You can fit it with plastic pads which have got self-adhesive, and you put the LED strip in, or you can just take the back of the LED strip and just run it round. That's the way we're going to do it. And these are the little clips, the pads clips was on about. They would go on there like that, and you put the strip underneath, but that's totally personal preference. You can do it either way, but once this unit's installed on the back of you, it's installed. And this is the included controller. So this one is compatible with your smart home system, e.g. the Amazon Echo, Google Home Assistant, etc. And as I said earlier, you can control it with your phone. This unit here, this can be manually operated as well. You may just want to set it to a certain colour and leave it. That's entirely up to you. So you've got your on and off button. You've got a different colour cycling, and you've got your brightness, and you click that down so many times until you get the brightness setting you desire. It's USB powered, which means it can literally, and this is how we're going to do it, it can literally just plug into any 5-volt power supply. So we would plug it into there like that. So what that means is when you power your TV on, the lights will come on, they won't stay on the rest of the time, but you can also plug it into the wall if your TV doesn't have USB ports, or they're all full up, and that's the other option as well. But if you do it with the TV with USB, at least it will turn off when the TV goes off.
So the lights just plug into that?
Yeah, and the lights, the LED strip, one end of it plugs into this, and it's got a nice little clip. So that's really those bits discussed. So that's the controller. The one final note, it has a reset pin here, and it has a really nice 3M sticky pad, and you could literally just put that on the back of your TV like that, and then after it's all set up you add it to the app, but we'll show that in a minute. So it's okay. So we just untangle that LED strip. So as I was saying earlier, it comes in 4 sections. It's not a continuous length. This side here is the one that plugs into the controller. So wherever you're putting that, you need to work it out, sort of thing. So we will probably run the bottom longest piece along here. So what they've done here is they've connected it all up ready to use. I actually tend to disconnect this and just run them and then connect them up, but you have to remember which way they all plug in. Okay, so just pull that off. So we will fit this strip. So the corner has corner pieces like this, flexible, and they just, you would have one bit running down there and one bit running along the top. So if we just show you how that, so that would go something like that, nice and easy, and that allows you a bit of flexibility as well. You probably want the LEDs in a bit, not right on the edge, but that's, once again, that's up to you. So what we'll do is we'll fit this and then we'll show you how it all looks. Hello and welcome back to the third part of the LED backlight TV installation. So we've installed the LEDs. Now I will mention this now, this LED kit's for a 55-inch TV, ours is 43. So we've made do, and you can see we've made do, but this the thing with this kit is it is really good, and we have got bigger TVs, but this one's a bit smaller, so there, you can fit it to a larger TV, although obviously you've got to come round and that, but normally you'd have it each section and it would come round nice, but you're not going to see it anyway, so no big deal. So as you can see, it's all powered up via the USB. You've got your different modes there. It's just automatic at the moment, so what we'll do is we'll get this hooked up to the app and show you exactly how it works on the app. Hello, welcome back to the fourth part of the video. So as you can see, we've got the TV back up on the wall. We've got the LEDs running at either side, got plug sockets, whatever, all plugged in and working. Okay, that's what it looks like with a full light on, but when you turn the light off, as you can see, it's a lot easier on the eyes at night. And the reason why you'd want to install something like this is if you're watching films and TV at night, it doesn't have as much strain. So if I was to show you, that's what it looks like with it. And that's without it. So you can see that's quite a difference. And obviously we've got a scene on here at the moment called movie mode via the app. So that's without, yep. And that's with. So it looks loads cooler. So if we just turn the lights back on a minute. Let's look at the app. I'll just log into my phone. So the app that you need is Govee Home, and you will need to create an account. And as you can see on here, I've got quite a few of these systems, and I've decided to name this LG TV LED. And when you, for this particular unit, which one is it called? H6182. You would go to add up the top, H6182, you go all the way down to the bottom, H6182, there it is. It's a Wi-Fi multicoloured TV. You add that, and then it'll ask you for your wireless network. Fill those details in, and then it'll say it's succeeded. And once it's succeeded, it'll be on here. And then from here, as you can see, you can control the brightness. Music is like test 1 2 3 4. See what I mean? As you can see, it does do different colours as well. It's just how I've got it set. You can turn the lights right up here. So that's music mode, and you can set which colours you want, and then you can set the colours individually, or you can have scenes. If we just run through a few of these, so this one's movie, and you've got like candle, dating, candlelight. These are like preset ones. Romantic, breathing, and that sort of pulses in and out. It depends what sort of effect you want. Twinkle. Energetic is, I mean, I don't know if you want that in your living room, but you know, it's entirely your choice. So we just set this to movie, and movie is like a nice white light. It's not like it's showing on the camera. It's a really nice white light. So that's how you add LEDs to TV via the Govee H6182, and hopefully this video helps anybody wanting to do the same. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask me, and I'll try and help you out. thanks for watching. Just before I go, as I said, this system here is for a 55-inch one. This is a 43-inch TV. You can use it on that. You're probably better off buying the right size one, but it's still the same effect and functionality. We managed to get it.
Get one, could we, for this?
No, we couldn't. But they may, since I've posted this video, they may have released 100%. But obviously they can't release it for every TV size. No. So they're figuring, well, generally in most people's living rooms they've probably got what, a 55-inch TV, a real big one. So this strip would work, but we want it in this one. So hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the video if it's helped you out.